What did you want? Use your words. That's not how you ask for it. What do you want? What would you like? Huh? You know how to say it. Quinn? You don't want it anymore? Ask Mommy nicely and I'll give it to you. What would you like? What's it called? What is it? What is this? What is this that you want? What is it called? Oh. Quinn. Playing peekaboo? Say peekaboo. 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 You do it. You're going to hit yourself over. Say peekaboo.
I did.
What are you doing? Quinn, did you want this? Or have you lost total interest? What is that? Quinn, what's this? That's right. Do you want some? Say bubbles, please. Say bubbles, please. Bubbles, please. Say both. Say bubbles, please. No? Sit on your bum. Thank you. Bubbles, please. Can you catch them? And we'll try and get you a big one. Wow. Oh, don't eat that. Yuck. Catch it. You gonna catch them? Ready? Say more, please. More, please. Good girl. Oh, there's two. Oh, you got it. And you got that one. Good girl. Say again. Good girl. Catch those ones. Those are big ones. Whoa. Ready? Say more, please. Say it again. More, please. Good girl. Get it. You got them. All right, one more. Ready? Ready? Catch them. Wow. Oh, it's on your hand. Oh. You say more, please? More, please. More, please, Mummy. No, that's too much. Okay. Oh, that one kind of... Only got a couple. Okay, one more. Mom will make it worth your while. Here you go. There they go. Catch them. Woo! You got it. Good girl. There you go. Well done. Do some more tomorrow. Say goodnight, Bubbles. Night, Bubbles. Yeah. Now you can splash for a bit. Splash! Splash like crazy! On your bum. Up, you're all done? Okay, pull the plug. Pull the drain. Pull this. Pull the drain. No, on your bum. Alright, Mommy will do it.